Parents, mind the people you invite to your home, especially when you have a female children. When you have a female children, be careful of the people you allow in your house. Be careful, be very, very vigilant of the people that send your female children errands. Be very careful of the people your female children associate with. Mothers, be very, very careful. Ikorodu boys for Lagos. Na rapists they know na put. Why una like to rape? Some of Yoruba guys, they are just too full of rapists. How can you rape a 12-year-old child? Oh, guys. Let me drop this video so that this guy can use his own mouth to narrate the whole story to you guys. Before I drop that link, guys, subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell so that whenever I drop amazing one like this, you guys will be the first to be notified. My channel is to enlighten people, is to bring the things that is happening in the world for you guys to see so that you can learn and be careful. That is it. So let's jump on it. I love you guys. So my people, yes, my people, I said the kind thing wey be say e dey happen for Nigeria these days, the whole thing, e dey make me tired. E dey make me tired because this kind thing, you know, they hear from another country. Imagine, in the name of 500 naira, say pikin dey hungry, e come ask this guy for 500 naira. Now this guy carry this pikin go Computer Beauty, go lash am, go vandalize am because of say pikin. So nothing goes for nothing. Now na come turn Nigeria too. So you no fit ask your neighbor anything now without say you no get wetin you wan pay am back in return. This one no be Buhari cause this one again. No be Buhari. This one no be Buhari fault. Because me I go drop the video so that make the guy use his own mouth to narrate the story give una my people. Because the story get as e be. Pikin come, the guy dey come dey ask you for food. And my people, that Nigeria sometimes no be everything, no be we go take dey blame Buhari. No be everything we go take dey blame Buhari, my people. Honestly, mona check this issue with me. Mona check am. Because no be everything was just say they say hey, Buhari oh boy, because Buhari no be the cause of this one. Because according to the video when I go drop on I go watch, they say this one not be the first one. Say na so the boy they do one. Okay, this kind of thing my people when be say they diaspora, this kind of thing happen for abroad. It don't fit happen because if you try and now jail direct, now jail even though na your own pikin self, now jail you they go. Don't let us say not be your own pikin. And now they talk for inside the video say this will not be the first one, this will not be the second one, not be even the third one. Yes, because the guy go dey very, he go continue to dey do one. And wetin come make this one come light? No, I know say now there's nothing wey you wan do hide. I say network no dey that place so you wan do that thing. Now you go go free oh. Now you go free. Even though say network no good, they say they go still record you like that. Later network go dey, they go use and send that to the head. And the people wey be say una dey talk say na so the boy dey do. Una lis ten to una sef. Rapists dey miss of una no fit carry and go drop for police station. Una dey say not be first, not be second, because say not be una pikin dey do the thing so. Yes, yes. And how we this one now, my people, you know as they come take catch this guy now for the thing wey the guy dey do before. They say na so the guy dey give children, go just see small pikin, go give am 500 naira. He go see small pikin, go give am 500 naira. He go carry and go lash the pikin. He go disgwagwa that pikin. And tomorrow the pikin go still go meet on the name of 500 naira to chop biscuit. Now see wetin poverty don cause for our country. Now see wetin poverty. Europe pikin now wey be say a month government go give that pikin money wey be say you wan take live, even transport to school everything. Now government go dey in China. That kind pikin wan go meet neighbor dey bear 500 when neighbor go lash am. Hey no. E no go fit happen. And e dey pay me for our leaders sometimes. This abroad of it, una dey come, una dey see the own una children take dey live for this abroad. But una know say una use and take feast una own children so that una citizens benefit from it. See the way that they molest una citizens. That one, that pikin na 12 years before e go reach 15 years, then e go come abroad, e go come finish am international. E go come finish am. That's why Okpo no fit finish for Nigeria. E no fit finish. Now this kind of things. E no fit finish. My people no fit finish, Okpo no fit finish. I can imagine one boy out there one corner for Ikorodu when be say they lash children. He go use 500 naira take sleep with small pikin. Una no bring am come out. Na see the way when God take dey work. Na so he give this girl, this small 12 years old girl now, because he don teach the girl how to do, and the girl, the thing don enter the girl blood. Every time na so the girl go meet her, he go give her 500 naira, he go sleep with her. Till he no come see where he wan do am, he come carry the pikin, come carry am go all computer building. Now where just dey knack the pikin ekelewa for all computer building, na so dem come catch dem. Trust Nigeria people na dem film am, dem carry am, dem come carry am go police station. Now they come out for Ikorodu, now come they say na so they do am before, na intentional, that where una fair day. I will say they not come catch na another person you go still go to. Now so poverty you come make Nigeria, na so poverty you come turn Nigeria too. Now so poverty, when I come to una brothers here, then they kill themselves with cultists here, then they kill themselves with rapists here. After they shout Buhari. Mona be careful, Mona fear God, Nigeria, eh? My people. I may not come beside not to the talk, eh? I want to leave the video so that make the boy using math to explain it to Mona. Listen to the guy explanation. Mona, listen. Guys, thank you all. I love you all. Without you guys, I don't think I will be here demonstrating. So it's you guys that is making me to demonstrate. I love you all. See you all in my next video. Choose.
Ẹni sùúrù ẹ̀gbọ́n kí ló tẹ̀lé ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹni sùúrù ẹjẹ́ kó sọ̀rọ̀.
Pásọ̀ jẹ́ ìsọ pé òun bá nínú yàrá mi.
Mama ẹni sùúrù ẹjẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Wá gbé owó oúnjẹ ni.
Ẹ má dáhùn o, bọ́mọ yẹn ṣe sọ.
Ẹni sùúrù ẹjẹ́ àgbọ̀ tẹnu ẹ̀ ẹ̀yà à ń gbọ́. Ọmọ yẹn wá béèrè oúnjẹ lọ́wọ́ yín lọ́wọ́ tí yín.
Láàárọ̀ ló máa ń wá.
Ok.
Tó máa béèrè oúnjẹ tó bá ti wà lọ́wọ́ mi máa fún lóúnjẹ mi ò fún wá fáwọn mi ò fún fáwọn mi.
Kí lẹ wá ṣe fún ọmọ náà? Ẹ bá sùn.